Welcome to the best picks. The best doorbell is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked devices in a modern home, especially for those who are hearing impaired, as it ensures you never miss an important visitor or delivery, providing peace of mind and enhanced security through innovative visual and vibrational alerts that cater specifically to your needs, making it an indispensable tool for independent living and seamless communication within your household. Number 5. FullHouse Wireless Doorbell Kit. Introducing the FullHouse Wireless Doorbell Kit. It ensures you always know when someone is at your door, no matter where you are in your home. With distinct tones for each door, you can easily identify which entrance your guests are using. This smart feature helps you manage visitors effectively. Enjoy an extended range of up to 1,000 feet in open areas. This means you'll receive alerts even when you're in the farthest parts of your home or office. Choose from 60 different melodies and adjust the volume across 5 levels to suit your preference. A silent mode with LED flash is also available for quiet environments. Built to withstand the elements, its weatherproof design ensures reliable performance outdoors. It's suitable for various settings, from homes to offices and classrooms. Installation is a breeze with plug-and-play receivers and easy-to-mount push buttons. You can also expand the system to accommodate up to 8 transmitters and unlimited receivers. What we like. This one allows you to distinguish between your front and rear doors with different tones. If you have a larger home or multiple entry points and want to know exactly where visitors are, this is a great choice. It's also expandable, so you can add more transmitters or receivers if needed. What people say. The doorbell has a visual alert system that flashes brightly when someone is at the door. It is designed with adjustable vibration settings to ensure the user can feel the alert even in noisy environments. The system includes multiple receivers that can be placed in different rooms, ensuring the alert is always noticeable. Number 4. JSIEEM Wireless Doorbell with 2 receivers. Never miss a visitor with this wireless doorbell system. It includes 2 receivers, ensuring you can hear the chime no matter where you are in your home, perfect for larger spaces or busy households. Customize your alert with 4 volume levels, up to 110 dB, or opt for the visual cue of colorful flashing LED lights. This makes it ideal for everyone, including those with hearing impairments. Don't let the weather stop you. This doorbell is built to withstand the elements with an IP44 waterproof and dustproof rating, suitable for both indoor and outdoor installation. Get it working in minutes. Simply plug in the receivers and attach the transmitter to your door using the included double-sided tape or screws. No complicated wiring needed. Enjoy peace of mind with a reliable connection up to 1,200 feet. Its versatile design fits seamlessly into apartments, houses, and various other living situations. What we like. With 2 receivers, this doorbell is ideal for larger homes or apartments where one receiver might not be enough. If you are looking for a doorbell that offers both visual and auditory alerts, especially for those who are hearing impaired, its flashing LED light is a key feature. The extended range ensures you won't miss a visitor, even in spacious living areas. What people say. The doorbell is designed for the hearing impaired and has a visual alert system. It features a bright flashing light that alerts users to the doorbell ringing. The product is easy to set up and use, with clear instructions provided. Number 3. SadoTech Wireless Doorbell, Matte Black. Setting up your new doorbell is a breeze, ensuring a quick, frustration-free installation. Unlike other models, this one offers an impressive 1,000-foot range, proven to work through doors and walls, making it perfect for any home or office. Enjoy peace of mind with a battery life of up to 3 years. You'll never miss an important chime, whether it's for your home or business. This wireless doorbell kit includes everything you need, 1 transmitter and 2 receivers. It also comes with mounting hardware and a battery, making it a perfect starter for any user. Personalize your experience with 4 volume settings and LED indicator lights. Choose from a wide selection of colors to match your personal style. Easily expand your system to know exactly which door visitors are using. This is incredibly convenient and time-saving for homes or offices with multiple entry points. Built to last, this doorbell is waterproof and weatherproof, capable of withstanding temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It's designed for years of reliable use. Experience a wide selection of 52 high-quality chimes with 4 volume levels. Our memory chip even stores your preferences, so you'll always hear your favorite sound. What we like. This option is perfect for those who value customization and reliability. If you need to know precisely which door a visitor is at and want a system that's proven to work through walls with a long battery life, this is a strong contender. Its ability to configure different chimes for different doors makes it incredibly convenient for managing multiple entry points. What people say. The doorbell is equipped with a bright flashing light that alerts you to visitors. It features adjustable volume settings for the audible alert, ensuring it's loud enough without being overwhelming. The doorbell comes with multiple chime options, allowing you to customize the sound to your preference. Number 2. SadoTech Wireless Doorbells. Introducing the SadoTech Wireless Doorbell, a reliable and stylish solution for your home or business. It's designed for ease of use and long-lasting performance. This doorbell has been recognized by top news channels like QVC, Fox, ABC, NBC, and CBS. It's praised for its excellent build quality and minimalist design. Unlike other doorbells that fail quickly, ours features a patented design with high-quality components. This ensures a long-range wireless connection and extended battery life. Setting up is a breeze with our complete kit. It includes everything you need for a simple DIY installation, and the battery lasts up to 3 years. Personalize your experience with over 50 chime sounds and 4 volume settings. It's perfect for any situation, from quiet nap times to lively parties. Our advanced technology provides an exceptional wireless range of up to 1,000 feet, no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth needed. It's ideal for large homes, offices, and warehouses. This smart doorbell remembers your settings and features LED lights for easy visibility at night. It's also weatherproof, operating reliably in extreme temperatures. What we like. If you're looking for a reliable and smart doorbell with a proven track record, this is it. Featured on major news outlets, its patented design ensures long-range wireless connectivity and extended battery life. If you appreciate a doorbell that remembers your custom settings and offers a sleek, modern look, this one is a standout choice. What people say. The doorbell has a flashing light that alerts you when someone is at the door. It is very loud and can be heard throughout the house. The doorbell is easy to install and set up. Number 1. JSIEEM Wireless Doorbell 1200 feet. This wireless doorbell is battery operated, freeing you from the need for electrical outlets. The receiver can be wall-mounted or placed on a desk, and it's portable enough to take anywhere in your home. Featuring a newly designed touch button, this doorbell is both sensitive and energy efficient. Its IP44 dustproof and waterproof rating means it can be installed reliably, indoors or outdoors. Choose from 36 melodies and 4 volume levels to personalize your alert. A built-in LED indicator provides a visual cue, making it an excellent option for those with hearing impairments. Enjoy a robust wireless signal with an operating range of up to 1,000 feet in open areas. This ensures reliable performance without interference from other devices. Installation is a breeze. Simply insert batteries into the receiver and attach the transmitter to your door frame. Avoid placing it too close to metal or electronic equipment for optimal performance. We ensure strict quality control before delivery. If you encounter any issues, please contact us promptly for a swift resolution. What we like. This doorbell is an excellent choice for those who need flexibility and don't want to be tied to an electrical outlet. If you often move around your home or need a doorbell for areas without power, the portable receiver is a game changer. Its long operating range and battery-powered design make it incredibly versatile for various living situations. What people say. The doorbell has a flashing light that alerts you when someone is at the door. It is easy to set up and use, with a simple plug-in receiver. The volume is adjustable, so you can set it to a level that works for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.